get the fudgy balloon.
Should we throw it at her?
Get the balloon.
Get the balloon.
Get the balloon, you stupid dog. Hey. Don't let Rox you. Hey. No. Don't mess with it. Come on. Hit it. Just hit the stupid balloon.
Hit Barney.
It's gonna pop the next time she touches it. Make sure she doesn't come in. Watch out. Let's get. Keep doing it. Yes.
Touch it, Roxy. Touch it.
Come on. Okay, whatever.
What are you gonna do?
Just get naked. Come on. Is it Roxy? Get the balloon. Roxy, get the balloon. Get it.
Yes. We're playing Wii Sports.
Come on. It's gonna explode. It exploded.
Dude, get the balloon. She can't eat that. No. High five.